Yo, I was for just to TV near like Pini. You could just offer the old just near the about it just what I say. That and penny say I didn't and tell some fly itchy. Now, some I attended the essay, die, and eh, some I could just wear the banner, saying that. And penny so say a chin your donkey, one out of frame. And if you so then can feel if you home sweet home. Now, we are quite as if you be I and your among crofobia. O my be bremu my mu asem na na ye beken Africa Zambia my mu obesha Chinese for enkrofo a omo wa bi my mu pi pa nkronkro bebre krom Ghana bi ho ofa Kenya Uganda ne ade ka se bobo the whole African continent omo baby a na Zambia baby a omo guo bebre pa omo do so na sa be ye ne se kamya is omo ya agi corona fa akwa kuduru say na de yesi ne de edutwam kra abrante ba ko Zambia ni a ono tini krom na nka efie de yesi fie ni fie a ono tini fie a wawale Chinese ni one nete a omo krom omo ntu kwan ko ba bia na nwasem ne say sabre ono ha otini krom as Zambia ni otini krom Zambia na yesi o ye ho Chinese ni a ono te Zambia kromo se Zambia ni ono free Zambia ho no oho asemi nyina ne se restaurant bi oho restaurant kese pa mo ko didi kotonu ya ne ade na brantie ne yire Chinese ni eko se omo kwa akoto aduane ho a oduru ho a yese ma ne nwuram COVID-19 ho nsem ya e wo China anum se Ghana fo ne ade bibiemu fo mo ha oko ba bi ese ma nwura no sa brede atretre akodu Zambia ene Zambia na ese yate Zambia ma mu ho a ono Chinese ni restaurant ho no ono se Zambia ni ono ti ono every baby ono ye foreign 90 o ma ni nwura restaurant ho all because of COVID-19 no ebusia asamenya agro kra enti de make ni re no omaduru restaurant o mo kuru ma ese ma ni nwura ana ono anti Chinese nipa na ka Chinese ni ade ano se ade ndra na okọ na chika kraba na wife no na wife ne sa akoye edo jo ni ade ana ese obusa na yeren se ede na opa kire ana se ese foreigners enwura restaurant hono foreigners enwura ho enti ena ga ne se de bi na ede na ohu se o ye foreigner ede na omu hu se me wife am ne nam no onye Chinese na ede na omu hu sa because the BB actually Chinese. I was there been to sa na mum and yes, see my own ho ye foreigner. No, I said what? And you didn't oh an affidavit. And the one in the yam gen pram. Now was here good as a cook of no. Chancy has any play near ye. She said, oh, who do you on ye? I was here, think the mummy and share video. Na I bet was so. Yenche video in Sio, Yenche. Na one way papa, a quiet fast or say manning.
Imagine being called a foreigner in your own country by a foreigner. Well, that's the predicament of a male Zambian national who has chosen to remain anonymous. The man was on Saturday turned away from a Chinese restaurant and shop called Lankins in Lusaka's Long Acres for being black and a foreigner in his own country. The man was in the company of his Chinese wife and now explains.
These two other guys were in front of us. They went in. Chinese nationals, they went in. So when my wife and I were going in, there was this lady behind the counter. She was shouting something, she was yelling something. So for me, I just looked at her, but then I couldn't understand. So I walked in again. Then she repeated the same phrase. So at this time I looked at my wife because she was looking in my direction. So I looked at my wife. My wife had stopped moving. So I asked her, what is she saying? So the lady said, foreigners are not allowed in this shop. So I thought to myself, in my mind I was like, oh, how does she know my wife is, not from Zambia? Then my wife said, oh, she means you are not allowed in the shop. That's when I was confused. Foreigner? I am the foreigner in this situation. So she said, then my wife asked the lady, what do you mean? She said, oh no, the Chinese can come inside. You have to wait outside. You can't come inside.
The wife of the Zambian national has described the actions taken by the Chinese nationals against her husband as ridiculous.
I don't think racism is everywhere, but then, like, in this situation, it's just a little bit unusual, you know? How can you ask, how do I put it? How can you say that foreigner cannot come in when they are in a foreign country? It's ridiculous. I mean, like, they are not supposed to behave like that.
For in Tienio, as I know, as a Nirena Ekasa, as I do see Chemuno, or no, a Chinese in Chess, or no, so a white during the year, Papa say, a day no be our no cinema as a Zambian, you know, to me, or no one into no cry Chinese name, one or she said, racism, the NKB baby, I say baby, and the racist there or honey a day, and you munga kanga crow, baby, and now, when the idea on when you papa on tea and one back semda. Ain't no, yan twas on air twas on eyewitness, no, a report and yes, same way there be, and trained the air one ye papa pay more room. Inti obedi achire na ono akọ eze control fears me suma enemy inti odi achire na ono akọ restaurant or shop on no akọhwe se de esitie asemani esitie ankasa na okọ omukọ ene so ampa achire se ni na tie na Zambia ni ene Chinese ni ba omuduru ho na se Zambia ni air driver no driver Chinese ni omuduru ho na Chinese ni no ebekọ restaurant no akọje no ma wato no de abesi animu ebeduru ana Zambia ni no and sesa no money free any more no de cocaine so be remu pa de la lie or mompre e mani enwulem che apepre enti ento aso na ensure no emra.
I asked the couple to accompany me to the said restaurant and shop so that I can independently verify the allegations leveled against the Chinese business firm. In the shop, there was only one female Chinese national at the counter and busy on her phone. We proceeded in the shop. And when going out, I asked the Chinese lady, with the help of the Zambian national's wife for translation, if I could see the owners of the shop so that I can find out about the allegations leveled against them. But the lady outrightly refused. When she refused, I asked her whether it's true or not that they turn away blacks in their shop. In her response, the Chinese national explained that this decision has been arrived at in view of the coronavirus, but denied turning away any black person. A contradiction.
Okay,
so basically she said that normally they allow the Zambians, they will come here, they will normally they are like the driver of the Chinese national. So the Chinese national will come and buy stuff, the Zambian driver will be waiting outside, then they will be like carrying the stock from here to the car, not to go inside. But if you say those who are like, they insist to go in, they will still allow.
So the Zambian drivers, the black ones, they wait from here.
Yes.
Then the Chinese, they go inside, they buy, then they get the stuff from here. So when you came here, they thought he's also a driver for you. Is that what they thought?
But the one yesterday is not this one.
Simply put, the Chinese are saying blacks transmit the coronavirus. How painful can that be? That's simply an insult. Well, let's assume that what this lady is saying is true, that they don't discriminate against the blacks. Their actions speak to the contrary. For example, everything here is written in Chinese except for phone numbers and names of Zambia and China. This is happening in Zambia. What about if it is China itself?
I traveled to Gwangju some time back, maybe some 8-9 years ago, and on arrival at Gwangju airport.
Abujafo tinsem no de ekosi no krone wasan kwan wasan ewie waboboa no na de akosi no nsem no nya de kire no se Zambia ni enwura restaurant na Chinese ni ba obewura ho. All because of the COVID-19 ya buy ho asemi wo be share shase o ane e kan ya o China ane shase e no mapie de go social media ne ade ye kan bebre no na nye kwa ne nka ne kwa na nye ni ha ne na ya ade o mumi ni so mo ye na ngofo so mo ye nipa bi ade to mo trima na edam sa wo se ho na mo no che se before ni petuntum no na yare ne wo ne ho COVID-19 enti no say restaurant and shops e woni bi a shase e sa ade na Zambia ni ono ate kroma na kra no yesi ma ngro because of say yale we bibini dia yare ewo ho asefem keso se chi nyo de ho na atafre nke fie nso de efie ni fie home sweet home na we de ya ko ese home better home ana home better home we de ade na dane a etwa butu ehu ye papa se wo te wa odie mu nko ba bia enti we ne signal bia e kire ye African leaders no we say sa breed ye duru na duru say ya ye de omo bia mpanfo no be hwe say ya ye de bia no mhwe na omo ye ni efie ni fie is as a slave trade no mother crop so lenga kra say ya na bomu ehu ya za o ma betabri ye na nanom ne ade nyina o ma be mo o ma be sesa o mo say alomi bi e de o mo kọ o mo ye o mo san kwa say de o mo kọ ye no enti no say before hwe na mpanfo ama o mani anda ho ade esi mre bi atwam na o mo be cheche ye na nanom de o mo kọ nkwaso mu no eno abi na asa hwe ase nkakra mpanyin say asem kese e ba frankensi so na se de esi hu ne kakra ka o ma hwe na o ma anye ye de wo no ene ade na esi ye ni ye na efie ni fie ebusu asem na asefem wana mka video e share na onyo bi nso nhwe bi na share ma ndrum panfo bi a omotewa omode omoze omafuni ade na omo diska peche na omojeje aho so e de nsase ene ndwuma akese ye share omo nsa wo yaye mamu na ya bibifo yaye mamu no duru se omo besole na omo hu se bibi betimi asi na nkrofo yi omo na odi agro omo nim de omo ye ewiase na de na wo sa akwa omo di agro omo ben na omo na ya omo nim omo diabolical tactics bi omo timi play nti se anhwe ya omo zafa before no num aha ze ne de US America ne Britain for ne ade abedidi soko ayan krofo we nso na sabe eduru se omo so bedi so ana asefem ni akata omo ni akata yeso saba bedi so dia na ebe hu ye papa na ebe hu ye nti before nhwe ne anye de ye mpanfo yi video ye koma mu nhwe bi na montuto no ma ye papa na ha omba fie no zame am kasa wa hanam dimbesi video share na onyo bi nhwe bi na fa ansa tia na fa bo subscribe button so ma me na da ne da nya so de bi abramu de benya bi ane ne mache nti fa ansa tia ne boss wetin cry ni we de boss na mu ayi duye papa na ave ke busia no eja so tv ni e kodwa so fa de odwa so ne de aba eja so ne mache slide pin ni makram na sensu am to de a enhia o pipe no etonso de hia mon kwankwa de ase ye mon komo ne mon sire he about